I have a great guest to start with. Just fabulous. I'm so excited because I was so jealous watching her on with all the other anchors. Okay, Michelle Simpson. And I learned her name was pronounced Teague, something I would have annihilated. She's tried death penalty cases. She's represented the gymnast in many sexual assault cases that you read about. She's just an amazing person, and in addition to everything else, she is a jury consultant. Michelle, hello.
Hi, thanks for having me.
I am so excited that you're on. So I want to talk about this jury. All right, like the three bears and Goldilocks and this old child's proverb and tale, was the jury selected in terms of timing only, just right? Was it too long or was it too little?
You know, in looking at this from my experience, I actually think that they went a little fast. I have selected several juries in death penalty cases where we have taken 8 weeks to select a jury. And I know just from some of the articles and the communications that the judge had openly and publicly that they had planned earlier on taking longer, and this process moved forward a little faster than they thought, even in light of the settlement that happened right in the middle of jury selection. And so, in my view, a little fast.
Okay, so with that, and with and I agree with you. I was shocked. More challenges, weren't you? Shocked. I'm like a movie and a theater set today. Three Little Bears. I was shocked. Let's take a look at the jury that has been selected in terms of its demographics. Okay, and we have, let's see, a range from what I'm reading. I'm going to read it to you. 3 white men in their 20s to 30s, 6 white women, 20s to 50s, 2 multiracial women, 20s to 40s, 3 black men, 30s to 40s, and 1 black woman in her 60s. Is this, for lack of a better term, fair and balanced jury, or does it matter what the demographics are in this case?
I mean, demographics can matter. I'm always careful about stereotyping people. I mean, what is much more important than just the demographics has to do with their experiences and what they say to us and what they put on their questionnaire. But the fact that this jury is a majority female, interesting in light of there being no female attorneys on the teams, at least leading on either side, and also that half of this jury is not white, is certainly unique from what we see in a lot of cases and in a lot of these race-based connected cases in the past.
Michelle, a topic dear to my heart from yesterday when I discussed, not that there's not any lead female attorneys, just because in an abstract, but you have so many women on the jury that maybe your teams, whether they do defense or prosecution, should be a cross-section of what the jury is.